I was just a little boy with a screwdriver in my hand, taking apart old broken toys, trying hard to understand why the motor didn't spin, why the wires wouldn't glow, why the magic hides within every little thing we throw. Other kids were chasing games, running wild in summer light. I was chasing sparks and flames in my father's shed at night. Rusty bolts and dusty gears, broken radios on the floor. I was building dreams from scraps, always searching for something more. I never saw just useless trash, I saw pieces of a plan. Every crack and every scratch was a chance to try again. I turn old metal into meaning, I turn old junk into gold. Every scratch is softly singing, every story still untold. Though my hair is turning silver, still my hands are strong and free. I may live on small pension, but invention lives in me. Now the years have passed me by, time has written on my face, but the fire in my eyes has not faded, not erased. Yes, retirement came one day, they said now you need to rest, but my heart still found its way to the sparks inside my chest. Pension barely pays the bills, life is simple, sometimes tight. So I weld and shape and build late into the quiet night. Fix the neighbor's broken tools, old machines that lost their spark. In my garage I make the rules, turning silence into art. Where others see a pile of waste, I see structure, shape and frame. Every failure that I faced only strengthened my flame. I turn old metal into meaning, I turn old junk into gold. Every scratch is softly singing, every story still untold. Through the sparks and through the grinder, through the dust and through the flame, I may earn just bread and butter, but I'm richer just the same. The grinder sings against the steel, bright sparks dancing in the air. Every cut is something real, every weld a silent prayer. Drilling holes through solid plate, measuring with careful eye. Heavy metal strong and straight, watching raw ideas fly. My workshop is my quiet place, my small world of peace and calm. Grease upon my weathered hands, but steady fire in my palm. There's a rhythm in the sound, hammer tapping steady beat. In this garage I have found where my heart and purpose meet. I film the things I built for you, so maybe I can earn a little more, so I can help my family through, open just a slightly wider door. Because of you I stand here strong, because you watch, because you care. You gave my quiet life a song, you gave my work the air. I turn old metal into meaning, I turn old junk into gold. From forgotten to redeeming, from discarded into bold. Though the world moves fast and louder, I move steady, firm and slow. Every spark becomes a flower in the workshop's gentle glow. I sell the things my hands create, not for fortune, not for fame, just to keep the lights on late, just to keep alive the flame. Neighbors knock upon my door, can you fix this, can you see? I smile and answer, sure of course, bring it in, just leave it with me. Old appliances worn and tired, metal frames bent out of line. Give me patience, give me fire, I'll give them back their shine. And when a broken engine starts or a rusted hinge moves free, it's not just parts that come apart, it's quiet victory for me. I don't need a palace tall, I don't need a crown or throne. Give me metal sparks and wall, give me space to build alone. In the hum of tools and steel, in the scent of oil and flame, there's a peace so deep and real that no money ever gave. I turn old metal into meaning, I turn old junk into gold. Every scratch is softly singing, every story still untold. Thank you for your hands that hold me through the screen so far away. You allow me to keep building, you allow my dreams to stay. The grinder hums, the camera's on, a quiet evening glow. Another idea just begun, another spark below. I'm still creating, still believing, still repairing what I can. Just a man inside a garage with metal in his hands.
Coffee stain, an old blue plane, morning light on metal tan, boots on concrete, dust in the air, quiet hum of a day I'll spare. Bench full of pieces, box of old screws, things folks call useless, I call something new. Tape on the handle, rust on the steel. Give me a minute, I'll give you a wheel. In this workshop I turn busted into brave, make a shortcut out of trouble and a light out of the shade. Every crack, every scratch is a doorway I can use. Sawdust and second chances are the only tools I choose. Mark it with a pencil, cut it just shy, test fit the edges, trim till they align. Clamp down the chaos, guide it through slow. Tiny sparks of order in the shavings on the floor. In this workshop I turn busted into brave, make a shortcut out of trouble and a light out of the shade. Every crack, every scratch is a doorway I can use. Sawdust and second chances are the only tools I choose. Jig on the table, trick in my hand, little wild whisper through a switch I planned. Hidden in the hinges, secret in the frame, solving small problems slightly cold and rain. I don't chase perfect, I just chase better than before. If it fails, I'll find a fix. That's what these late nights are for. In this workshop, I turn busted into brave, make a shortcut out of trouble, and a light out of the shade. Every crack, every scratch is a doorway I can use. Sawdust and second chances are the only tools I choose. Old jar of washer, label long gone. Still somehow they're waiting for the right boat to come down. Wood from a table onto the street. Now it's a shelf for the boots on my feet. In this workshop, I turn busted into brave, make a shortcut out of trouble, and a light out of the shade. Every crack, every scratch is a doorway I can use. Sawdust and second chances are the only tools I choose. I build more than gadgets here. I build patience, I build pride. Little life hacks for the hard days, ways to bend instead of hide. I've learned the curve of failure is just a pattern in the grain. Shift your cut, change your angle, you'll miss the knob, dodge the pain. Hook on the ceiling, pulley on a beam. Lift up the weight on a well-thought scheme. Drawer that don't tangle, keys in a row. Tiny everyday magic most folks never know. Measure my morning in the chips on the ground. Call it quiet invention, 'cause the joy hardly makes a sound. In this workshop, I turn busted into brave, make a shortcut out of trouble, and a light out of the shade. Every crack, every scratch is a doorway I can use. Sawdust and second chances are the only tools I choose. Pencil on my ear, stain on my sleeve, plans on the wall that I still believe. Timer in my pocket, laced on the wall. But half my best ideas come from failing, come from fall. In that workshop, I turn busted into brave, make a shortcut out of trouble, and a light out of the shade. Every crack, every scratch is a doorway I can use. Sawdust and second chances are the only tools I choose. Some folks look and only see a mess of metal, wood and glue. I see a map of how that's a map of how Some folks look and only see a mess of metal, wood and glue. I see a map of how it's a map of how I